When people think about San Antonio, Texas, the first thing to come to mind is likely the Alamo, or maybe even the Riverwalk. But San Antonio is also home to the oldest continuously operating hotel west of the Mississippi. Just steps away from the Alamo and right around the corner from the Riverwalk is the historic Menger Hotel. The 3-star Menger Hotel leans into the history of the property, which is what makes it such an interesting stay. The hotel's Victorian-style lobby, for instance, contains plenty of museum-worthy mementos for guests and passers-by to reflect upon. The hotel also boasts a Spanish courtyard garden with palm trees and azaleas and a beautiful 3-tiered water fountain. In 1881, the Mengers sold the property to J.H. Cantman, who added another 3-story addition to the north and east wing, complete with a cherrywood bar where Roosevelt himself recruited men for his Rough Riders, and which was modeled after the House of Lords Club, a tap room in London. In 1909, architect Alfred Giles made extensive changes to the hotel, including the adding of an ornamental marquee to the exterior, and the embellishment of the original lobby with marble flooring and Renaissance Revival style detail. In 1949, air conditioning was installed, the lobby where you now check in was opened, and the bar was moved to where it currently resides. Of course, with old buildings comes tales of lurking spirits. In fact, the Menger Hotel is said to be the most haunted hotel in all of San Antonio.
So this is probably the smallest room that we have stayed in quite some time.
The wife says that we are staying in the newer part of the Menger, which I guess she's happy about because she says, oh, that means it's not haunted. Nothing's haunted. Maybe that light. You can definitely tell that there is some age and wear and tear to this quote-unquote newer part of the hotel, though. It's a nice setup they have. It's very cozy. Looks nice. You can see I've already got my workstation going here. They have the Keurig and stuff. That's all moved aside. It does have complimentary waters in case you're curious. Got this kind of cool window out onto the roof. Not the best view, but kind of nice having the window. You can see the little, I don't know, plaza over there. Interestingly, this opens. We didn't see any ghosts, but there is something lingering in the air of the Menger Hotel, and it smells fantastic. The scent is provided by a company named Solar Therapy, and I will provide a link in the description. All I know is the scent the hotel chose for their lobby has me saying, that's amazing.
I heard from Jerry you tools think you're athletes now?
That's funny. I didn't know athlete had 3 syllables. Athlete, that's amazing.
The Menger Hotel has also opened Mengerita Tacos, which it describes as offering a Tex-Mex upgrade to the traditional taqueria, located on the doorstep of the Alamo. We tried several different taco flavors, but if forced to choose just one, we would both recommend the Sally White, which is made with Southwest chicken, lime, corn, black bean salsa, avocado crema, and cilantro. Overall, we recommend staying at the Menger Hotel for at least one night. Whether you like the idea of it being haunted,
I'm so fucking scared right now, you shut up!
or you happen to love the historic aspect, we think a stay here is worthwhile, especially as the hotel is right next to the Alamo and within walking distance of the Riverwalk Convention Center and plenty of shopping. A stay at the Menger is sure to provide an interesting experience, and if nothing else, a great location for your San Antonio adventure. Make sure to like and subscribe, and click here if you want to see our road trip to OKC, or here for our day at SeaWorld in San Antonio.